The super soft Uncle Fay only needs 2 rabbit and cow sticks to make it. Come and learn from me. First, leave the remaining 5 centimeters to make the tail. Then 2 fingers appear and taste 3 rounds. Then taste it around the tail and secure it. We picked it out, adjusted its shape a little, and moved the tail a little closer to a water-like shape. Make its wings by threading the bunny stick through it from top to bottom. Those who cross on the left or right will gain or lose. Remember that it is passed from top to bottom. 1 circle on the left, 1 on the right, and the left one is opposite, tight and even. Remember not to tighten it too much, otherwise it will become loose and uncut. Cross this way from top to bottom, about 4 times on one side. In this way, the shape of its wings will appear. In order to make it easier for everyone to understand, I drew it using stanzas and overlays, so that the scene is complete. Do you understand? Next, we take the remaining beef stick and cross it into a circle around the tail. Used to push his body up. If we don't have enough bull sticks, we just need to pick up another one. Untie the positions of the 2 heads and cross them, choose a soft collar and tie it tightly. Cross it once and wear it from bottom to top. Be careful to adjust the shape at any time while doing it and don't make it too tight. Next we should get in front of him and hit his chest. The breasts are pierced from bottom to top. About 3 cars. Remember, it all comes from this movement. If you feel a little tight, you can use this word or sign to signify the same. Let it pass through this movement better. 3 cars are put on. Let's adjust it. Make it original and content. You can tell by looking at the general shape of the entire body. Now let's do the head. First, face a price of about 2 to 3 centimeters. Start from the bottom and go up. When it reaches the top, give it a try in this facing position. Make it dozens. Then we continue to circulate from top to bottom. Be careful not to spend too many days. Achieve the bowman and original rhyme of the head. Just keep passing it down. All the way to the butcher's position. Make it more precious. While passing around, we need to adjust the shape with our hands and shoes. Excess part, we give it great location on it. Such a constant expansion of the small fat breasts and body. We've done it all. This crucial step has come. That is to take out our new book. Let's write about its feathers. If there is no just book, you can also use unused poplar brushes. In this way, we can reveal all the mothers who are hiding and giving up. Make it more fluffy and soft. Be careful not to use too much force when losing. I lose after eating the hair net tied up. I lose after eating the hair net on my belly. The hair on the head is lost on the net. At a position about 2.1 centimeters from the head. Install the mouth for 2 seconds. You can also use black cows to tie or tie them together. The far bead is placed closer to the mouth. This would seem more worrying. Can be fixed with alcohol glue. You can paint it with a nice color if you like. Go and try it.